Well, hello there. I am talking to you today about a minimalistic capsule wardrobe, and I'm packing in not a carry-on, just a personal item. I'm doing one bag travel. Hi, thanks so much for being here. My name is Natalie, and I'm a decorative and restoration artist. And while I work mainly in North America, I love to travel, and I also love to be inspired for my work and to train under masters. So I'm constantly on the go and constantly packing and creating capsule wardrobes. So you will find some art related videos as well as some of the work that we've done on my YouTube channel. But what I've really enjoyed doing lately is sharing my capsule wardrobes. I have to travel in a very minimalistic way, and I always travel carry-on only. So I have a collection now of a lot of the capsule wardrobes that I've put together, and much to my surprise, they are becoming more and more popular. So if you are interested in this type of thing, please click the subscribe and like button. And if you're really feeling generous, make a comment or share with others. And well, as they say, let's dive in. Well, hello there. I am talking to you today about a minimalistic capsule wardrobe where I am going to a warm location from a rather cool location, and I'm packing in not a carry-on, just a personal item. I'm doing one bag travel for the first time I've ever done this. I'm not really sure how this is all going to work out, but I think I've got it down to a science. So I did make another packing video earlier today where I actually showed you the layout of my suitcase and how I put everything in this 18 by 14 by 8 bag, and I think it's gonna work. So I'm really excited about this upcoming trip, and I can't wait to test it all out. So this video is about my capsule wardrobe. So I believe it's 8 items. We'll be sure to count properly at the end, but I have everything in a compression packing cube, and I'm going to show you the size of that. So this is like a medium size compression bag, and I have this sitting kind of in the bottom of the roller bag so that the heaviest weight kind of is at the bottom of the bag and it doesn't want to tump over. But all of what you see here is either on my body, because I have a travel vest and I do have a denim jacket. So I am traveling with wearing the travel vest, and then I have the denim jacket that I'll be carrying on or actually wearing it. And everything else fits in this little tiny bag. And I'm also, in addition to the clothing items, I'm also taking a bathing suit. I have all of my underclothes, socks, I have 3 scarves. Oh, and I have a nightgown. So lots of items that are just going into a small amount, and you're gonna see here that I can't even believe that I have so many options. So I do know that I'm going to be going to a meeting, so I have to kind of have something a little bit nicer to wear to a meeting. And then in the evening of that same day, there is an event after hours, so I would like to look nice for that as well. Then in addition to that, there will be some pool time, some hot tub time, or sunning outside. We'll be staying at a resort, and there's a group of us that are going and staying in a house together, so this is going to be really fun. And then also we'll have a couple of days kind of on our own, or maybe some shopping, and then also travel days mixed in with that. So I'm going to need a lot of different items, and I'm not completely sure exactly what I'm going to need, but I feel like what I selected, I'm so sorry about the noise. I'm filming outside because I don't have great lighting in my house, and I'm not monetizing my channel to a point where I'm actually making money doing this, so I'm really trying to keep my expenses low. So thank you for your understanding and appreciation for what I'm trying to do, and just doing the very best I can. So anyway, back on track. Let's dive into this. So I am taking a This is by PacSafe, and it is a foldable tote. And if you know anything about PacSafe, you know that they are a brand that helps travelers travel safely. And initially, I do think the reason they have the name is because they actually created little safes that little mesh safes that went around backpacks. But now they've branched out into other parts of their brand. What I love about the brand is that this material is slash proof, and there's a mesh lining in between it, so it helps kind of prevent theft. And I like the zippers too, because they lock together and just kind of keep my belongings a little bit more safe than they would be if I was just carrying a plain canvas tote bag. So I also like this, that it has a little bit of the gold hardware, so it's a slightly elevated look. And there is another little bag, little pocket that fits on the outside of this that's packed in the luggage that I'm taking. But that little pocket, as well as this tote, will serve as my purse while I'm on my trip. Since I'm one bag only travel, you can't have a purse with you because that would count as your one bag. So anyway, here's my tote bag. So in addition to that, I will be wearing my ex officio vest. Now, this sucker is locked and loaded. Absolutely. I even have my water bottle on the inside of this. You can probably see that. I actually don't know how the camera angle is, if you're able to see my water bottle or not, but I have everything packed in my vest. I even am utilizing this back pocket, and I have a mini planner set up for my note taking and everything. I have that here, and what I intend to do is when I get on the plane, as I'm sitting down, I'll be able to take my planner out of the back of the vest, and then I'll be able to actually use it on the tray table and while I'm on the airplane. So excited to be able to utilize this. Other thing I'm taking with me is this denim jacket, and I am taking it because even though I'm going to Central Florida and it will probably be hot, I want to have this for inside, because I know that air conditioning leaves you feeling very, very cold, or does me. And I just want to make sure that I have something with me that will keep me warm. But I'm also using this to put my liquids bag in, because it has such deep pockets. So actually these are all the toiletries I'm taking, just this bag. And it will make it easy for me when I get to the checkpoint if I'm required. I do have TSA pre-check, so usually they don't make you take this out of your luggage right now, but if they do, it's really easy for me to be able to kind of grab that and put it on the conveyor belt. Now, this is of course one of my, and actually the denim jacket does count as one of my clothing items, as does this and my jeans. So that's 3 items that you've seen. I'm not counting the travel vest because it's a travel vest. This, you know how much I love reversible clothing. This is a reversible kimono, and I love it. I love the pattern on both sides. It looks really great, and you'll see how this works into the wardrobe that I put together. This is kind of like my little black dress, if you will. It's actually a shorts, it's a romper, I guess, because it's a short, it looks like a skirt, but it's actually a pair of shorts underneath. I'm really comfortable in this. I'm short. I'm 5'3" on a good day with shoes. So even though this looks like it's quite short, this actually comes several inches below the palms of my hands when they're down at my side, so it's not inappropriate. But I was thinking that this would be a cute thing to wear to the evening part of our gathering at my meeting, so this could be really fun. And I can still wear the kimono with it if I choose to do that. And I also have a couple of scarves with me as well. So, and I'm still not really sure what I'm taking for jewelry. I'll be able to finalize that, but more than likely I may take an extra pair of earrings and then maybe a statement necklace, but there's not much I can take with me because I'm only traveling personal item only. Anyway, this is my little black dress, but it's actually a pair of shorts. Oh, and I did forget to bring the shoes that I'm taking, but I'm just bringing a pair of black slide sandals, and they're flat, maybe half an inch heel. If it's a heel, it's more like the sole of the shoe. So really it's just a kind of very slight half inch. And then I'm wearing my black Nayat walking shoes that look like black tennis shoes. It's just there's no markings on them. And I'll take one of the shoes off to show you. Just a simple black walking shoe. And these are fabric, so they're not waterproof. So what I'm hoping, if it does rain in Central Florida, which, I mean, it rains all the time in Central Florida. I grew up in Central Florida, so I know it always rains, but on a day that it is supposed to rain, I will definitely not wear these shoes. I will probably wear the sandals. That makes the most sense to me because they'll dry quickly, they're leather, and even if my feet get wet quickly, it should be fine. I would rather have that than wear a pair of fabric shoes that you're walking around and squish, squish, squish the rest of the day. So, all right, the little black dress or a little black short set is there. And then I'll show you my other items. I have a black khakis material, so just a cotton material shorter skirt. Again though, because I'm short, a short skirt is only a few inches above the knee for me, so this is going to be really great to wear as I could even wear this to the meeting. So I'm also thinking about this. This is Gap. Oops, mind the mulch. So this is a Gap top. It's part lace, so it's still going to be cool for Central Florida, but it's also really cute with the black skirt, and I know will look great with the slides. And you can also wear, actually I really like these together. Look how cute this is. I really like this. I think this would be really nice for the meeting, potentially. So I think that's a nice outfit or cute outfit. And then I can also turn around and even wear this with my jeans, and it would be a really cute outfit. So I'm wearing the jeans. And then the other outfit that I have, I really like this, is this nice summer sweater, which is black and white, and then to wear that with this skirt. And really love the kimono top with this also. You know, and the other thing is I could also wear this outfit with my jeans and the slide sandals, and I think it would look great. And then all of these things can also be worn with just the walking shoes if I wanted to. It would be certainly a lot more casual, but still kind of cute and just casual. I mean, I'm there for a meeting, I'm traveling, so, and I'm only one bag, right? So that makes a huge difference. Now, the only other thing that this I could wear, so remembering I have this extra denim jacket that has my toiletries in the pocket, which I will remove for the sake of weight as I'm doing this. Okay, so this is a little bit too much black, I think, but if I rolled the sleeves of the denim jacket, I would probably be okay. And then also, I mentioned to you that I had some scarves with me. So this is actually silk, and it's really, really great. You know, if I'm inside, it is kind of nice to just have a little pop of color with that. And I think with the shortened sleeves and some of my skin exposed, kind of the same way I have my skin exposed with these sleeves, I think it would actually be okay for inside during the summer months. And then keep in mind that I can also wear this with these other outfits as well. And I really liked this with the white sweater. And the khaki material skirt. Gosh, I wish there was a way to hook all these together. But anyway, for the sake of well, the skirt is not nearly long enough that way. All right, so very cute, very casual, I think, and most of all, this is all going to be comfortable. So it's all comfortable clothing that I'm going to be able to wear, that I'm going to be able to go to meetings, be able to spend time with my friends and colleagues, and be able to pack minimally in just one bag, which I'm really excited about, and I cannot wait to report back on that. Can't wait to report back on how my travel outfit went, how my travel day went. So I think that's going to be pretty exciting. So look for that video. It's going to be a couple weeks out before I can get to that and then edit. But anyway, thanks so much for being here. Thanks for supporting the channel. If you did find this video useful and helpful, please click that like button. Please share with a friend or subscribe to the channel. I would really like to have you be part of the community. So take care. I'll talk to you soon, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Something I forgot to mention is that the reversible kimono is what I'm going to be using as my pool cover-up with my bathing suit. So I really have a complete wardrobe with 8 items. Yes, 8 items. I am not counting the travel vest that I'm wearing. I feel like that's really a travel item only, and it's not something I would wear during the day or any other time during my trip. But the other 8 items are definitely going to be really, I think, easy to kind of mix and match and are going to look great. So I can't wait to show you pictures, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.